Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a simple and delicious sandwich recipe, spicy potato sandwich. These are the ingredients what we require to prepare these sandwiches. Let's begin with preparing filling for this sandwich. Heat a pan, pour 2 tablespoons of oil into this. Once the oil gets heated up, adding finely chopped ginger and onion. Sauteing it until its raw flavor and smell go away. Adding 1 cup of finely chopped palak into this. Palak will get cooked very soon. To this I am adding boiled and cubed potatoes. Adding some spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of chilli powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Give it a good mix. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which will give a tangy flavor for this filling. Along with this I am adding some salt. Mixing it once again. Covering this for another 2 minutes so that potatoes can absorb all the flavors of masala, and this will be really flavorful. So filling is ready. Let's prepare sandwiches. Here I have 2 milk bread slices, adding potato filling into one of the bread slices. Covering this with another slice of the bread. Next one I am preparing by spreading some green chutney. Green chutney recipe I already shared in this channel. If you want, you can check it over there. Add some potato filling. If you want, you can add some cheese at this time. Now let's toast these sandwiches and make it crispy from outside. Pan is hot. I am rubbing some ghee. We can prepare 6 sandwiches with this filling. Placing this sandwich, toast it until they become crispy and golden in color. So our sandwich is ready. Both the sides are crispy. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked today's video. I'll be back with another great recipe very soon. Until then, bye bye.